Good morning, jail.
He's muted.
You're muted. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Williams.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let's start with Miss Rosales, or Mr. Rosales. That's on file number 252299, appearances for the record.
Yes, Your Honor. James Williams appearing under MCR 8.120 on behalf of Ms. Rosales by Zoom. We're going to go ahead and waive the formal reading here today. I can confirm her address is 3712 Pennsburg Place, 48601.
Okay. Letter plea of not guilty for the office of assigned counsel. As to bond.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Rosales is 33. He did say he does have a history of mental health and he is seeking treatment from VA at this time. He does receive compensation from the VA as well as Medicaid. He has 6 children, 3 that he actually takes care of in the home and 3 that he pays child support on, and that is current. He has no pending criminal cases, criminal history, and he's not on probation or parole. So we would ask for a PR bond at this time. Your Honor, I also did want to address that the victim is at this 3712 Pennsburg Place, and he said he doesn't have anywhere else to go at this time and that she isn't legally allowed to be there. That's what he's told me.
It's not my issue. My issue is that he used to have no contact with Patricia Rosales. So that's on him to make sure there's no contact. Any violation of the bond condition will result in revocation of bond immediately. I do see, though, that I have a judicial segment in the 74th District Court. Although I'm not sure exactly what happened with it. There was a resistant obstructing charge and a disorderly. I also see in 24 there was a domestic violence case that was dismissed, so, or it's a little worried about. I also have a warrant outstanding out of Baltimore. Make sure it's the right person. Same birthday. I gotta verify that one may not be correct. Rosales working?
At this time, no, he is unemployed, receiving compensation from the VA.
Oh, okay. Is he in any treatment programs with the VA?
He told me he was seeking treatment through the VA, but he said he's speaking to a psychiatrist and a therapist.
Yeah, all right. I'll take it under advisement. I want to see about that warrant. I want to confirm that. I don't believe it's him. It's quite possibly I will do a PR bond pending on that warrant. I will, Mr. Rosales, let me make a couple things clear. No contact with the victim, any way, shape, or form. In addition, I'm going to require you to enroll in CST counseling within 5 days of your release. So you're going to want to give CST counseling a call when you get out. That number is going to be on the forms. When I talk to CST counseling at the end of this week and you have not called, I will revoke bond, okay? So you'll have until the end of the week, not 5 days, to the end of the week to call them, okay? Just to kind of get you on a path here. So no firearms, no illegal controlled substances, and no alcohol. No contact. All right. Thank you. In the matter of People versus Bowens on 252302, appearances for the record.
Yes, Your Honor. James Williams appearing on behalf of Mr. Bowens, but he's appearing by Zoom. We're going to waive the formal reading here today. I can confirm his address is 2421 Arvin Drive, 48601. Mr. Bowens has been charged with a felony as well as a misdemeanor. We're pleading not guilty to both of those, referring to the Office of Assigned Counsel. I can speak to both.
Guilty, also assigned counsel. Next court date's coming up. His pre-exam is June 11th at 9 a.m. Preliminary exam is June 17th at 1:30. That's going to be in front of Judge Clark. Esteban.
Yes, Your Honor. He is 29. He's been a Saginaw resident his entire life. Doesn't have a history of mental health. He does receive disability from the government. He has one 4-year-old that he takes care of. No pending criminal cases. Forthcoming about his criminal history, and he's not on probation or parole at this time. So we would ask for a PR bond and a reasonable bond.
All right.
Yeah, that number's not right.
Which one?
I want to put the correct name on. You gave me 732.
Oh.
Seven, 3, 2, 8, 6, 1, 1. That's it.
What was it? It came up. I'm sorry.
All right. There's an extensive record. Regard to. Do this. In the matter of bond, people make a bond recommendation of 5,000. That will be converted to a 7,500 personal recognizance. No contact with Ms. Howard. Is that going to be an issue, Mr. Bowens?
Say it again, Your Honor.
No contact with Ms. Howard.
Yes, sir.
As part of the bond condition as well, I'm going to have you do a pretrial program with CST counseling. Upon your release, you must enroll by the end of this week, okay?
Okay, sir.
That number will be on the bottom of the forms. no alcohol, no illegal controlled substances, and no firearms. All right, you're all set. In the matter of People versus Brewer on 7324868.
Yes, Your Honor. James Williams, appearing by Zoom on behalf of Stephen Brewer. We're gonna go ahead and waive the formal reading here today. I can't confirm his address is 3761 South Washington, 48601.
All right, credit time served. The speeding ticket, I assume. Imagine he's been there almost 3 days. In the matter of People versus Garno on 251938, 4521000, 4521000B. Appearances for the record.
Yes, Your Honor. James Williams, appearing on behalf of Joe Garno. Going to waive the formal reading here today. I can't confirm his address is 8013 South Merrill Road.
You can just text those over to us, please.
The address?
Yeah, don't say it. Just send it to us via email.
Oh, for sure.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, we're pleading not guilty to all three misdemeanors, referring to the Office of Assigned Counsel.
At the bottom.
Yes, he is 45 years of age. He told me that he's self-employed. He has 2 children, 7 and 15, and he provides for both of them. He doesn't have any pending criminal cases. Forthcoming about his criminal history and not on probation or parole. We're going to ask for a PR bond today.
I think he has a bench warrant on him. Maybe Ithaca? Is that right? You have a bench warrant, Mr. Gurnall?
I thought that was taken care of, apparently not.
So you do have a pending matter.
I was dismissed, Your Honor.
Has failed to appear for final trial conference on 12725 on the charge of false pretense over 200 but under 1,000. Go figure. So did you appear or what?
No, I thought it was dismissed.
Well,
The matter was dismissed.
date of the warrant was issued on 4/15 of 25, so that's not too long ago.
Guess I'll have to go there and see what's going on.
Well, let's see what you have. Well, you have a base crime on your record. Being home. If you were drug tested today, Mr. Garneau, how would you test?
Positive?
And what would that be positive for? I appreciate you being honest.
Cocaine?
Ooh, okay. All right. Let's confirm that warrant. And then take under advisement, get that figured out. I think there is there's a statewide pickup, so they'll let you know from the jail whether or not you're gonna be transported over. In that meantime, we'll get a bond crafted for you, and hopefully we'll get that cocaine cleaned out of you, and what your bond condition is, obviously no. All right, we're all set. People versus Rodriguez on 252301.
Yes, Your Honor. James appearing on behalf of Ms. Rodriguez by Zoom. Ms. Rodriguez has been charged with 3 felonies as well as a misdemeanor. We'll put her not guilty to all of those and refer to the Office of Assigned Counsel I can speak to bond if necessary.
Not guilty, also assigned counsel. The court dates coming up are June 4th at 3 p.m. Preliminary exam is June 11th at 1:45. That's going to be in front of Judge Hoffman. As to bond.
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Rodriguez is 21 years of age. She's lived her entire life. She graduated high school. She said she does have a history of mental health, postpartum depression. She is looking for a job. She has a 1-year-old that she takes care of on her own. She is the sole caretaker of this son, so she needs to get out to take care of him. She has no pending criminal cases, no criminal history, and is not on probation or parole. PR bond, please.
Well, that's not.
Ms. Rodriguez, you're going to be a little forthcoming on your priors here. Granted, most of them are traffic, but I'm showing something back on. I guess it was Nolly Cross. Let me do this. People are asking for a high monetary bond. Or having reviewed prior record does not see where defendant has failed to appear for court. So then the issue becomes whether or not regard to the safety of the community, safety of the victims, and safety of the defendant, While this court does not have the case, the allegations that are made within the bond recommendation are troubling in that regard to injuries suffered by one of the victims. Let me do this. Bond will be at 75,000 personal recognizance. So as long as you come to court, you won't have to post that bond. However, Ms. Rodriguez, I am going to require a GPS monitoring device given the nature of the charges. I also understand under 25806 DS that there is a case, although I believe it's been final order in Judge Dickens' court. There was a pending matter with regard, I believe, to another individual on 242043, although that case has been resolved and disposed of. Other than that, minor traffic matters. MIP. Right. No alcohol. If you were drug tested today, Ms. Rodriguez, how would you test?
Negative.
All right. So I'll just have that, just the confirmation in the file. So as part of the bond conditions, there's going to be no contact with Mr. Nelson. That's not going to be an issue.
No, sir.
Also, no contact with Ms. Logan. That won't be an issue.
No, Your Honor.
All right. Firearms, legal controlled substances, alcohol, as I mentioned. Drug test. Hold it positive. And then also CST counseling for pretrial programming. And if you are released today, that you must accomplish that by calling CST by the end of the week, okay?
Okay.
Failure to do so will result in the automatic revocation of your bond. That will be immediate. You are all set. In the matter of People versus Sanders on 252307 and 1114212. Appearances for the record.
Yes, Your Honor. James Williams appearing on behalf of Camry Sanders by Zoom. Ms. Sanders has been charged with 3 felonies as well as 4 misdemeanors. We're going to plead her not guilty to all of those. Refer to the Office of Assigned Counsel, and I can speak to bond when necessary.
Okay. I just get these all. Counsel, PR bond on the traffic matter, just let you know what Secretary of State says. Secretary of State says suspended 4 points. So I don't know, you have to go to Secretary of State's office, to find out why they're suspended. Now, pre-exam conference on the felony files is June 4th at 3 o'clock. Preliminary exam is June 11th at 1:30. That's in front of Judge Hoffman. As to bond.
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Camry Sanders is 20. She actually graduates tomorrow from the 12th grade. She has no children, no pending criminal cases, no criminal history, and is not on probation or parole. So we'll ask for PR bond today, Your Honor.
Well, since I don't have this case, I certainly can make an opinion as to what I read in the bond recommendation. Holy cow. That was about much to do about nothing. That just caused a big ruckus for nothing. Let me double check some stuff here. She arraigned on another matter? Or did it go from there to this? Maybe it was in this case. All right, well, what was the bond on the code? Graduating. Oh, where to go? I think Gregory needs to be arraigned on the charge too. Yeah, it shows that that's still out there. All right. All right. Ms. Sanders, are you gonna come to court?
Yes,
Ms. Sanders, how long you been in jail there since?
since Sunday.
Mine will be PR. I am gonna put you on day reporting just so that we can kind of keep in sync with the court dates coming up. All right. So someone from day reporting will talk to you. All right then. Put it in our drug test as well. In the matter of People versus Barnes on 8922152 A, B, and C.
Yes, Your Honor. James Williams appearing on behalf of Jarmise Barnes. We're going to waive the formal reading here today. We'll plead her not guilty to the misdemeanor referred to the Office of Assigned Counsel. And she did confirm that she can pay both bench warrant fees that are owed.
Well, she has one misdemeanor.
Yes, I plead her not guilty.
Credit time served. Credit time served. All right. Warrants are recalled, and then Miss Barnes, you'll get notice on the next court date. Just make sure you're coming, it'll all be resolved on that day. Good luck.
All right, that's it, thank you.
Yeah, bye-bye. People versus Fisher, 4127157.
Fisher.
2025311 A, B, 617-056A, 4512002. Someone doesn't like to take care of matters here. All right, appearances for the record.
Yes, Your Honor. James Williams appearing on behalf of Bria Fisher. We're going to waive the formal reading here today, and we can go through these how you want to. It's a lot.
All right, well, how long has she been in jail?
I believe she just said she was there yesterday. She got there yesterday.
All right. All right. No proof of insurance. Fail to pay fine. Okay, those are all mine. And let's see, Judge Durance had failed to respond to a 10-day letter. It's on a civil infraction. Recall. That one. And then on the DWS, she hasn't been arraigned on that. Waive the reading.
Yes, waive the reading, plead her not guilty.
Why ain't you coming to court taking care of your business there, Miss Fisher?
The address that's on file is just a mailing address, and I haven't really been over there like that. I actually been homeless for these past couple months. I just moved into me a new apartment. I'm just getting back on my feet. I just started a new job at Michigan, which used to be Ann Stitchen or St. Mary's Hospital, whatever you wanna call it. But I'm trying to get back on my feet. I just really haven't had it. So it's been hard. I've been homeless, going from house to house, just trying to get anything that I can. I just got an apartment and paid for last week, and I just got the keys for yesterday. Like, I'm trying. There's only so much I can do. Being homeless, like, I just started this new job and stuff. I just haven't had a chance to even make it down to the courthouse to just pay on nothing. But I've been trying. My taxes came very, very late. So I haven't been able to handle nothing. I've just been trying to get by until I've been able to get the money.
Ms. Fisher, are you on probation?
Yes.
How often are you reporting the probation?
I report to I do not miss a report date. I report to my probation officer every month with the day that she tell me when I'm supposed to go. I do not miss a report date. I always see my probation officer when it's needed, when I'm supposed to go.
Ms. Fisher, you born in 2001,
Yes,
December 18?
yes.
Ms. Fisher, you have bench warrant out of Flint.
I'm sorry.
Flint, Michigan, 67A District Court, bench warrant. All right. Did your agent tell you about your bench warrant out of Flint?
Yeah, she told me to handle my stuff here up in Saginaw first, and then when we got to Flint, that we would handle Flint. But yes, she has informed me on Flint, and she told me to take care of my stuff here first, and when we got the chance that we would move to Flint. I keep in very contact with my probation officer, same thing that I'm telling you guys. I told her.
But you didn't take care of your stuff here because I got all this, you're in jail.
For Flint?
Oh,
She
yeah.
told me to do the stuff, do the
Ms.
she told
Fisher,
me
will
to
you
do the.
promise just to come back to court and resolve these matters?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you or I
Will
didn't
you
understand
please
that.
come to court and resolve these matters on your, when you get notice?
Yes, I can come to court and resolve the matter.
I'll go down to Flint, take care of those too, or else you're gonna get picked up and then you'll get lost in Sheriff Swanson's hotel down there, so. All right, you're all set. Have a good day. Be well.
Right over here, Mr. Bryce.
What's the bond?
Patient.
I think you got there.
Just ran up the yard. In the matter of Garfield versus Bryce on 22565. Mr. Bryce, it appears that you did not show up for a court date. There's no cause. Is there a reason why you Is there a reason why you didn't show up May 20th?
Yeah, I've been having vehicle troubles, just got my car back on the road, just got a job, just got an apartment. I got a job that works 72 hours a week now. If I need to, we can take it right out of my paycheck every week. I don't care how much you guys wanna take, I just wanna get it settled.
We're gonna do this. Recall the bench warrant. Refer back to Judge Clark. And $1,000. All right, I'll let him know you're in custody and then he can adjust that bond if he wants to.
What's that?
I said I'm gonna let Judge Clark know that you're in custody in case he wants to adjust the bond. But right now, because of the non-appearance, and the other non-appearance, it'll be a 1,000 cash bond. All right, you're all. Yep, 1,000. Thank you, Joe. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.